Trip on the Broads, Norfolk Broads boat trip.
And we have just left one of the oldest boatyards on the Broads, which was founded in 1878 by a gentleman called John Loynes. Now the boating tourism industry started here over 100 years ago with converted wherries, which are large historic sailing vessels originally used for transporting cargo along the Broadwood villages. And they started to take passengers on cruises around the Broads. Great. But we also have two pleasure or passenger carrying wherries kept here as well, and then the Tartor and the Ardea. And of the Wherry Yacht Charter Trust is to maintain these historic vessels and to offer a true sailing experience for Broads visitors. And occasionally we get very lucky to see house for that. These on either side of the river. And most of these waterside properties are privately owned, and the vast majority of these are occupied all year round. Only a few of the smallest ones are holiday homes. And with very few exceptions, these houses are built from timber. Now this is to keep the weight of the building down, as the land around here is very soft, especially so by the river. So before building a house in this area, some very deep pilings have to be driven in first. And the vast majority of properties found around here in Wroxham can fetch well over £1 million on the market today, with Grimwood here coming into view very soon on the right hand side being the bridge. It's incredible though, isn't it? It's almost as big as my house. Well, I have to admit, I don't currently have a climbing frame in my garden. I'm still saving up for one of those. It was considered something of an eyesore, which I think is a bit of a shame, as it's one of my favourites found here on this part of the river. And it's also a holiday let, so you can hire. And from one of the oldest properties in Wroxham to one within years' time, this large right one here, again on our left-hand side. Construction of this property finished in 2020, and it even has its own outside kitchen, which I can't imagine they've used too much this summer due to the weather that we've been having, and I can guarantee they didn't use it this morning as well. Money well spent, isn't it? Now, believe it or not, before that property was built, all that used to sit on that little strip of land on our left-hand side there was just an old wooden run-down shack. So I think we can all agree that's a bit of an upgrade, isn't it? Of the Norfolk Broads coming into view to the right-hand side here, and that is, of course, a grey heron. In fact, you'll probably see two. You may have also noticed that so far on our cruise today, we have been passing some very fine examples of the Thatcher's craft. Make it look like you're enjoying yourselves, folks. Come on, let's be having you. I see you're not waving. Go on, give them a wave, treat yourselves. Usually, holiday makers and vendors just don't understand holidays. Which like to think that there's a patient with them. It's very soon you've got a lovely close up view of there on the right hand side.
Day out on the Norfolk Broads. Lovely jubbly.
Looks like it's going to be a very good trip for grey herrings today as well. We have another one coming down the right hand side here, but we haven't seen one so far. This car park, which will take you through ancient oak woodlands. Now in peak summertime, this a relatively easy to use as pigs to protect their holes, which pigs have the water. There's per hour, which translates to a brisk walk or light jog. And then from the car park to the Broad, it's again another short 10-minute walk. These birds look very exotic if you do spot. Now I can give you a bit of a disgusting fact about these cormorants here. Anywhere that you see with a bare leaf tree, I can tell you that in the past the cormorant has been perched on it. That's because the droppings from the cormorants are so acidic, they melt all the leaves from the trees, so they effectively kill the trees. So if you want to spot a cormorant today, well, just have a look for the bear. Well, a dial is an old Norfolk Broad. The bucket, how did it start? Is very strange. Just like a bucket, it's... Remember that the bloke driving the boat and speaking on the microphone has been named Thomas and not Matt. Thomas, please, thank you. I'll leave you here with a review of the Barton House Railway.
Have you enjoyed our little cruise, darling?
Yeah,
It's been lovely, isn't it? Really nice.
It's very nice.
Beautiful, beautiful. Nice town, nice little trip.
That's right, nice little town.
Definitely come back sometime.
Yeah.